The circular concrete tanks and adjacent structures in the foreground are likely components of the sewage treatment system linked to the lake's smart city upgrades. These systems treat incoming water, intercept pollutants, and ensure that only clean water enters the lake, which is crucial step in maintaining water quality. The Lake Rejuvenation and Restoration Project focuses on the city's need for an overall plan to give a concrete shape to long term goals for Coimbatore to become a more sustainable and resilient city. This project aims not only to clean up the lakes and address environmental and ecological issues around them, but also to create public areas around the lake for people to come and enjoy, with existing public open space being 0.14%. The city needs to reclaim its lake and make them more accessible and enjoyable, rejuvenating and restoring 8 lakes, namely Narasampatti Lake, Krishnapatti Lake, Selvampatti Lake, Kumarasamy Lake, Selvachintamani Lake, Periyakulam Lake, and Valangulam Lake and Singanallur Lake in the ABD area of Coimbatore Smart City. The components of the project are cycle tracks, walking tracks, viewing decks, street furniture, signages, planting, garden, container restaurants, and many more. Recreational waterfront such as walkways, jogging tracks, cycling path along the bund, family friendly spaces like play areas, amphitheaters, seating pavilions are provided, and for cultural identity spaces for festivals, traditional fishing practices, and storytelling zones that reflect the lake's role in Coimbatore heritage, murals, installations, and community arts that narrates the city lake relationship. While talking about mobility and connectivity, waterfront as connector, design green corridors linking the lake to nearby residential areas, market and transit nodes, last mile connectivity, cycle sharing, and pedestrian bridges that connect opposite sides of the lake.